love your jumper.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. It's fucking... Why is we all birds trying to kill himself in front of me? 120 miles an hour this morning, the bastard birds tried doing it. And now they're still fucking trying to do it to me. Little wankers. But I have just realised though, you know the not a hoot, just a haul video? We deleted that the other day. Because my phone orientation was the wrong way. So Georgia, you're not a hoot. You're just a haul. Just letting you know.
Can't wait for you to see that back in the recording.
Yeah, you'll have to block that bit out, Georgia.
Thanks.
I wasn't speeding, but it might look like I was according to the camera. Though the camera sometimes lies. You don't see the whole picture, you see, so you know, you can't believe everything you see on a camera or on YouTube. Just because it was on camera doesn't mean it actually happened like that. You know, there might be something prior or something after. So, you know, just saying. So, for the YouTubes and Instagram and fucking Facebook and whatever else, so what we're doing right now, yeah, I'm going to be a vlogger. I'm going to actually be a motor vlogger right now. So right now we've got me, Harry and Georgia all headed to Cleethorpes. Yeah, Cleethorpes. Yeah. She says, yeah, peace, alright. Yeah, we'll mark this pothole as being there. Yeah, we're currently headed to Cleethorpes. It is currently 7:25, so we're going to get there and it's going to start going dark. But you know, there's the pothole. With the weather being the way that it has been, it makes sense for us to try and do a ride. It should still be relatively warm, although in comparison it'll be fucking freezing. Straight over, guys. Though in comparison to what it is right now, it'll be fucking freezing. But, you know, it should all be good fun. Go on, Georgia, get ahead.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Georgia, that cable's hitting your tyre.
You are?
Georgia, the cable is hitting your tyre. It's no longer charging your fucking phone.
Oh.
There you go. Yep. I told you to come out. Go on, Harry, get past me. Now, let's see if Georgia can get the phone to start charging again. Yeah, that's the only issue with that cable, because of the way it's connected to the adapter. It doesn't quite like staying in very well if you're fucking playing about. Are you not going, Georgia?
Hold on. I'm gonna have to pull off.
Okay. Harry's just like fucking screamed out Mike or some shit. If you need to pull over, but obviously make sure it's somewhere safe to do so.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find. Here.
Yeah. Here? That's not fucking safe to do so, that's right before a corner. Fucking pull up further down here. Harry, there's a lay-by right there. Fucking Georgia tries pulling up in fucking side at Bastard Road on a corner. Oh! Yeah, my ABS kicked in. Ah dear. Yeah, it goes in one way, not the other.
I know, but I can't see which way.
Can you manage or not?
I got it.
Have you got it? Is it in?
Yeah. Charging.
Sorted? Sorted?
So,
Right. Get leading again then. We've got 2.6 miles on this road and then we're turning left. Fucking hell, Harry, don't go decking it. It'll be on video, so it'd be fucking hilarious. Yeah. Right. Take lead then, you two. Go on, Harry, you're clear. Go on, Georgie, you're still clear. Oh, there's a bike coming, I'll let him go first. Thankfully, he was nice and waited for me. I appreciate that.
ah.
Hi guys! Oh yeah, on top of riding to Cleethorpes, we're testing out my new Oxford water bottle and water bottle holder. I forgot about that bit. I just thought about it and I was gunning it and then I thought, I was like, wasn't there something attached to this bike? Like, there was definitely something, I don't remember what, but there was. You know. Pigeon! Beep, 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 beep! So I'm just looking at the sat nav, it says to turn right in 0.1 miles, but then looking at it, it's barely even a right hand turn. Oh wait, is it going to take us down that weird route that it took us down, Georgia?
Oh, probably.
It might. Oh wait, no, it shouldn't, because we've already turned off before that, like way before then, so we should be alright. Oh yeah, it is taking us that weird route where you get to the very end and it's like, oh yeah, this is actually a junction. Yeah. No, it's at the end of this bit. It was like, the last time we came, it was just like weirdly, like it was just gravel. You couldn't see any road markings or anything the last time we came down here. And it turns out that bit there is a junction. And it's not yours to just go. Yeah. And now that we can see the fucking signs that say give way, that's beneficial. Beautiful, clean art. Clean art? Straight art even. Oh wait, isn't this like the really like big stop sign?
Yeah.
Yep, like why is it so much bigger than literally everything else? Like look at that. Alright. Well, clearly. Alright, we're turning left here then. Yeah, look at the size of that fucker.
I love how it's tilted round though.
Clear from the right. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Why are you trying to pass us, Georgia? That's naughty, naughty, naughty.
I see you.
Do you two want to get ahead of me? We've got 5 miles till fucking roundabout.
Bike, but yeah.
Go on, Eric. Flat out, look at that. Fast as fuck, boy!
That is.
Yeah, boy! Fast as fuck. Nice ass, Harry. Nice ass. Right, where's my fucking thingy? There you go. Let's hop at me forehead mount. Vent, even. There we go. To be fair though, Harry, you're not actually doing too bad, because mine's saying 60 on dash, but we're doing 54-ish. Yeah, 54. Whoa, that were a big old bug that just splattered on my helmet. And wipe you away. Ugh. Oh, I've smeared it. Keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. We might eventually clear it off. Never mind, we'll just make it worse.
I know you're lot can hear me, but I can barely hear those two because they keep going in and out, and then all I can hear is really carriage by. So I'm actually kind of leaving the bus. Let's have some sweet songs. What can we sing? Let's have a think. Oh, it's there. What can we sing? Is this the way to end a real love? Every night you might be alone. Dreaming dreams to end a real love. Take the real way to me.
Oh, I've lost somebody in the call again. Do 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 do. Aha! Hello again. Hello. So I don't know of any speed camera being down this road. I know that there could be, but that's better. I've cleared that bug mark off my visor now. I can see something. Oh, it goes on to an average speed zone. Okay. Bloody bastards again. Average of 50.
Ooh. Saved it.
I got the front wheel up. I'm just trying to wheelie in third right now, just to keep my average speed down. Wait, shall I try and do it stood up? Nope. Maybe not. Oh, that another big old bug.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. This is the way to me.
Nope. Oh, I got it up, but I didn't keep it up. I want to, I really want to learn to wheelie properly. You know, to be able to, really get it up there and just hold it there. It'd be nice. Oh, my chat's gone again. Lovely. Oh, and it's back. Fucking hell, I got it up that time! Oh, I got that up. I got that up so much higher. I dropped into second rather than third. I thought with the speed we're going, I'll try for third, and I tried second, and I go wing, wing, nice. I just wish I could hold it at that, you know. Because I feel like imagine the videos we could get if I could really wheelie this fucker. You know, come down the side of you two on the rear wheel. Or oh yeah, it'd be fucking brilliant, wouldn't it though? Imagine doing it as well, you know, in slower, not so much traffic, but in slower moving speeds. and just really like steezing it out and just keeping it going. We're taking the third exit on this roundabout, guys. Third exit. Oh, I think George has lost connection.
I appreciate you.
Watch for this van coming across.
I'm going to have to stop because there's a van.
So third exit.
Correct my gear. One, 2, 3.
Okay, you both made it. Good to know. If you get in this lane, Georgia.
I can't hear you.
Fucking shift off her ear. She's not even fucking like paying attention. There you go.
Out of the way.
Trying to get her to shift out of the way so that fucking Range Rover can get past. Yeah, that fucker. I don't know what she's done. I don't know if her headset's died or if her phone's just disconnected or what. Probably phone, honestly. Pull in here. I don't know if she's just disconnected from us or if it was her headset. Come here. Is yours disconnected from us?
Yeah.
Are you going to reconnect? Since you're the one that called us.
Since I'm the one, what?
You're the one that called us.
Yeah, but I don't understand what's happened.
I don't know, y'all have just lost signal.
Oh no, it's been a while back that
Yeah,
no.
y'all have just lost signal.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. How is that hard to understand? Are you there?
I can hear you both.
There you go. Yeah.